So as you could see from the title of this video, we're gonna be comparing, I don't know what I'm doing, the best store-bought slimes that I've bought versus the best homemade slimes that I've made. Which is actually better? Like, some store-bought slimes are the best, and sometimes I say they're even better than like homemade slimes, but we're gonna see today. And my TikTok, if you want to go check it out, it'll be in first link in the description. Well, not first link in the description. It will be in the description, so go check my TikTok out. And if you subscribe to me, I'll subscribe back to you. And if you don't have a channel, then I'll like pin your comment, heart your comment, something like that. But if you do have a channel, I'll subscribe to it as long as you subscribe to me. Okay, first we're gonna be comparing these. This homemade slime and this store-bought slime. This is a clear blue store-bought slime. I swear, you could even see the tag, but I removed it. So first, let's start with the homemade slime. I've made this a few days ago. Yeah, I really love it. It's like a sky blue color. And yeah, I really like it. There's a lot of bubbles. Oh wow, I love the texture of this. This is honestly one of the best slimes there could ever be out there. It's glossy, it's thick, it's nice, and not even hard. It just sticks to the container. This container specifically. Oh my god, okay. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Let's take it over here. Look at the gloss of this. Look at the gloss, guys. Look at it. It's a little bit sticky. Not too much though. And it's super nice. So, out of 10, I would rate this slime. Sorry for that background noise right there. 10 out of 10. You're probably hearing music right now. It's gonna end in a minute. But, yeah, I rate this. I want to rate this 10 out of 10. So, it's super stretchy. Never like rips. I'm still stretching it, and that was fast. And it's really crunchy, and I love it, guys. So 10 out of 10. Now let's check out that great store-bought slime. Okay, let's put it back. Okay, let's check the next one. Okay, here is a store-bought slime. Let's see. Here it is. It's a clear blue, lovely clear blue slime. It's a store-bought slime. I swear, guys, it's a store-bought slime. It has a few glitters. And it's so nice, but I wish they gave you more. And it was so cheap. Look at it, like. If you guys find this in, like, I visited Jordan and I got this. So if you see this in Jordan, tell me how the texture is, because you're probably gonna love it. And it's a wonderful clear base. It's so stretchy for a store-bought slime, and I'm stretching it as fast as the other one, and I love it. But the Pocolo sounds are a little bit lower, and it's a little bit thinner, much thinner actually. The other one was really thick, and doesn't smell bad at all. So I'm gonna rate this 9.5 just for the Pocolos. Like, hear that? Yeah, it's not too loud. Like, not, I mean loud, but like good enough. So yeah, looks like for the first round, Homeade wins. Okay guys, second round is the giant theme. Giant cloud store-bought slime. And, whoa, that was a loud thump. Giant little glossy slime. So, not little, of course. So, this time let's start with the store-bought slime. Now let's start with the homemade slime. I want to start. So, see the top. Okay. Seems, oh wow, that gloss. Okay guys, we are going to the light. Let me show you this. Whoa. Look at that gloss, guys. It is so smooth. Okay guys, I'm sorry I have to ruin this. Oh, I have a feeling. Oh my god. Okay, let's flip it. Let's see. Oh my god. The glossy. Oh no, it's a little bit sticky. Ah. Wait, let's flip this side. Oh, whoa, guys. It is a little bit too big to take out. You know what? I'm taking it out. I'm taking it out. I think this little slime has a competition already. Many competitions. I mean, come on. This is so good for a slime. Oh my god. I will never stop playing with this, but I have to for the video. Okay. Okay. Now for the store-bought. Here is a store-bought cloud slime. It's also really big, so let's open it. Okay. It's a little bit crumbly. Okay, let's see. Oh. Whoa. Whoa, okay. I see. Whoa, that's a whole lot. Okay, that's all the slime. Well, yeah, it's all the cloud slime. And I love how it's just, well, it's really, really crumbly as you could see, but I love the color, first of all. I love how the fact that it's actually a cloud slime, because sometimes they say, oh my god, it's a beautiful cloud slime, and it turns out to be a butter slime. Anyone else got something like that? Well, I have. So I'm really happy about that they didn't lie. And it's actually a very thick and nice and stretchy cloud slime, as you can see. But the only problem here is with the crumbling. Like, it really crumbles a lot. Oh, by the way, for the last slime, that homemade big slime, I'm gonna have to rate it 10 out of 10. And for this one, since it crumbles so much, 8 out of 10. I'm sorry, but I love it still. So I think we know who the clear winner is. Okay guys, that was it for today, but comment down below, and if this video gets a lot of likes, and like if this video gets a few likes, then if like a few people comment that they want some a part 2, then I will do a part 2 for sure, if anyone wants that, and if I get a lot of likes. So yeah, well, a few likes, like let's say, I don't know, just a few likes. I'll see how many likes, and I'll see the comments if there is any, if you guys want any more. If you want a part 2 and for the likes and everything, yeah. And if, yeah, then I'll do a part 2. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed and have yourself a great day. Stay as sassy as me, stay as Gucci as heck. Check my TikTok account. Subscribe to you if you subscribe to me. Pin or heart your comment if you don't have a channel. Bye, Felicia.